Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. Emganwini Bulawayo is mourning 33-year-old talent Masuku, who passed away on Thursday morning from meningitis at Mpilo Central Hospital. A familiar face near the registrar's office, Talent was known for his faith, humor and kindness. But his passing also reminds us how fast meningitis can take someone. Born in Bulawayo 1992, Talent was described by friends as a devoted Christian who stayed respectful despite life's challenges. He was often misjudged, friends said, but those who knew him understood his heart. Mourners are gathered at House 4472 Emganwini near the secondary school to pay their final respects. May his soul rest in eternal peace. A Talent story shows why we need to talk about meningitis. It is an inflammation of the membranes around the brain and spinal cord, often caused by bacteria or viruses. The symptoms can start like flu, a severe headache, a stiff neck, a fever, a sensitivity to light, and nausea. The danger is that it can worsen within hours. Early treatment saves lives, but a late diagnosis is what makes it so deadly. Once again, may Talent's soul rest in peace. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.